In this video, I want to show you how WooCommerce, the popular shopping cart plugin, integrates with the BuddyBoss theme. We've taken a lot of care to make the WooCommerce experience really awesome, and I'm excited to show you. So we have this really nice looking product index, and there's a little button at the top showing you items that are in your cart. So let's say I want to buy this classic swim trunk. I can click Add to Cart. And now it was put into my shopping cart. And here's my cart, which looks really nice. I can proceed to checkout. And the checkout page looks really beautiful. I can adjust my cart right here. That removes it from here and immediately removes it from our cart drop down here as well. And this cart drop down provides a unified experience between WooCommerce and the rest of the social features in our theme. So we have a drop down for notifications and a drop down for messages, which takes you into our really nice inbox here. So I'll go back. Let me show you a single product, which looks really beautiful. So here's the single product. And we can view a couple different styles for the product, see reviews, and related products. And as you can see, everything's just been styled to look really nice. And then let's go look at the My Account page that comes with WooCommerce. And you can see we've taken this area and put a lot of work into making it look really nice and match the rest of our theme style. So like if I go to my social profile, you can see it's a similar style. The My Account area really matches the rest of our theme. BuddyBoss theme at its core is meant to be a community building theme, and a lot of our customers within their community are selling things through WooCommerce. It is the most popular shopping cart by far. And I think this theme presents WooCommerce as nice or nicer than any other theme out there and creates a really nice shopping experience. So now I'm going to show you how you can set up WooCommerce and get some default data for it as well. So we go to Plugins, Add New, search for WooCommerce. And here it is, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is now owned by Automatic, the company that creates WordPress. So it's a very good plugin to work with if you want to sell products. So WooCommerce has been added. Now, normally when you first install WooCommerce, it's going to take you through a setup process that's going to show you step-by-step how to configure the whole store. I've already had it on the site before, so I didn't get that, but you can just go through that process. And then now you should have a cart icon added here. And if you go to the URL shop, you'll see all your products. Now, we don't have any products yet, so I'm going to show you how you can set up some dummy products just so you can test things. So WooCommerce actually has a nice tool for doing this. Okay, so we're going to go into, under WooCommerce, you can click Products, and then click Import. And from here, they want us to choose a CSV file that has product data. WooCommerce comes with one, so click Choose File. So you'll want to first download WooCommerce locally to your computer and then unzip the plugin file and navigate into that plugin file. So you have the WooCommerce plugin and there's a folder called Sample Data, and you can just click Sample Products.csv. We can leave all this as is, I think. Click Run the Importer, which will just take a minute. All right, then click View Products. And so you can see it's imported a bunch of products. If I go to the front end now, we have a lot of sample data that we can play with. So for example, I could click Add to Cart. And now I have a product in my cart, and I can click that to remove it. And then one last thing, if you don't want this cart icon in here for some reason, you can remove it. So if I go to BuddyBoss Theme Options, click on Header. Under Header Buttons, Shopping Cart, we can put that to Hide. And that's going to remove the shopping cart icon. There are some scenarios where you might not want people to actually be shopping in a full cart experience like this. Maybe you just have one product you're selling or something. In that scenario, you might want to turn that off.